make a paper frog. Let's see how to make. First take a first sheet or color sheet. Take back side and fold like this. Fold like this. And tear. And fold like this. And fold it to two halves. Again fold into two halves. Open it. Now fold like this. Take out. Now fold like this. Do the same at the next square. And form itself. Do the same at the next square. Fold like this. Do the same at the next. All sides. Do again the same on the all sides. Now fold like this. Fold towards top. Insert into the triangle. Fold like this. And fold into the side. Thank you for watching this video. Like